Hey guys, and welcome to day, I think it's 12 or 13 of doing code every day. Today we're doing LeetCode 88 merge sorted array. Um, this one we're given two integers arrays, nums1 and nums2, in a non-decreasing order, and we have to combine them, but we have to combine them and we have to modify nums1 in place instead of creating a new array. And there's a bunch of special cases at the bottom. So looking at the problem, I just read it over. It doesn't seem too difficult. I think what we can do at the start is since we're modifying nums1 and we're not, we can't create a new array. What we're gonna do is we're gonna copy nums1 into this thing here. So nums1. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is, so temps equals nums1. So while, and then we're gonna set, we wanna go through pointers of each. So we have m and n that are going from the whole length here and the whole length here, right? Or which is 3, so 3 and n 3. We're gonna say, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna say I equals 0, j equals 0. And we do what I is not equal to m and j is not equal to n. So while that happens, we're gonna say, okay, if temp at I is, let's put the smaller one first, right? So if it's bigger, if temp1 is bigger than nums2 at j, I want to say, then we want to say, we low-key might need a k as well. Or we could just do, might be able to do I plus j. If tempo at I is bigger than nums2 at j, that means we want nums2 at j. So nums2, or nums1 I plus j equals nums2 at j, and j plus equals 1. Else, nums1 I plus j equals temp at I plus equals 1. I'm doing with this is I don't know, well, hopefully this works, but basically I'm going, I'm gonna compare the first one of each thing, right? So I'll compare 1 and 2, and I'll be okay, 2 is lower, right? So nums1 at I plus j, which is 0 plus 0 in this case right now, is going to equal temp I, right? And then I is 1, so then we have something at 1, and then whatever you plus here, something at 2. And I think this works perfectly fine. The only thing I think we have to worry about is in case they're not the same length, because for example, right, like we're gonna get to we're gonna get to 3 here before we get to 3 here. We're gonna go, like, we're gonna put this one in. So I is gonna be 0 0 0, I is 1, and then I is 2, then j is 1, and then I is 3, and then we're done here. So we're out of this while loop, and then we have to do these two. So we'll do a little while loop at the end. I'll say while j not equals to n, something has to happen there. And then also in the opposite case, while I not equal to m, same thing has to happen there. We have these variables I and j chilling. I'll just do nums1 at I plus j. Nums1 at I plus j equals nums2 at whatever j is still at, and then in the reverse order we'll have equals, or we have to I think this might work. Just off the bat, I don't really see like, I just want to try it out. I think this could work. Okay, so no dumb mistakes challenge, please. Oh, okay. Hold up. So we got the two special cases, right? But we didn't get this case, right? We returned 1, 2, 2, 2, 5, 6. I think I had this problem before. Wait, what? How are we returning 3 2s, which means that one of our indexes is like mixed up right now, right? So when we're completing this, we do 1, 2, 3 right here. Or we do 1, 2, 2. Okay, we're gonna change this to a 4 and run it. And I just want to see if it becomes 4, 4, 4, or what it becomes. Nums1 must be oh. One, 2. Okay, so it's just taking whatever number this is, the first number of nums2, it's just spewing it out times 3, which doesn't really make which is this thing right here. I'm very confused. Like, out of all the errors I was expecting to achieve, it's not one of them. Let's bring this into Visual Studio Code. We'll, this I kind of like this code. We'll create a new file, test4.py. Oh, I just test4.py. We're gonna paste this in, and I'll go boom 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 boom. Do our nums1 equals 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0. Nums2 equals 2, 5, 6. Print m equals 3. M equals 3. Right? That's yours. Print nums1. nums1 is not defined. Wow. Alright. Perfect. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5, 6. So okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna print j increase. I just want a bunch of print statements so I can find out what the hell is happening. Okay, so what? Okay, so it's going I, then J, then I, and then it's getting out and it's going J, then J. Which is what I want it to do. So now I need to print out. So 1, 2, 2, 3. Whoa. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 2. So 1, 2, 2, 3. 2 and 5. Very confusing. This problem was again that we put the 2 here. Nah, this is straight, like, this does not make sense to me. Okay, what the, okay. Okay. And when we print nums1 again, we get this 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2, 5, 6. Okay, so I think what we have to do is, something's not really working. What if I change all of these to 3, and then 3 and 4? Am I gonna get a bunch of 3s in this? Ah, perfect. What if it stays 2 and 3, but that one stays 3? 2, 3, 3. Ooh, so. Wait, what? This worked. Huh? Wait, what? One, two. If I do 1, 2, 3, and 3, 5, 6, it works. 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 6. This works. But 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6 doesn't work. So something's wrong with my variables. try if it's bigger or equals. I'm 8. I want one, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6. That's what I want. I want 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, and I'm getting 1, 2, 2, 2, 5, 6. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna print J, print I. Oh. J is this work? No. I is okay. Clear this real quick. Boom. So I is 1. We put 1 in there. J is 1. We put this one in there. I is 2. We put this one in there. I is 3. We put this one in there as well. Why is this the most broken code I've ever seen in my life? For no reason, too. I actually do not know. Okay. Why the hell is when I is 3? No, we're gonna say J is nums 2 at J temp at I. So I is 2. So we put I is 2. We need to like put this in here, like just so I can better understand, even though it's like really useless. Okay. I is 1, we add 1. J is 2, we add 2. I is 2, we add this. I is 2 again. Wait a second, guys. So this is the problem right here. Print temp. I is 2 again. Ooh, why is I 2 times? I is not 2 times. I is 3. Like, this is a very, 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 very weird thing. So if I is 1, J is 2. If I is 1, J is 2. Then I is 2. Then I should be 3. But that's just not how code works. Like, on God, that's not how code works. Like, it's not. Like, it's actually so illogical for it to make I 3. When it works with the other case, it just decides that it doesn't want to work with this case. That actually does not make sense to me. Why the hell is I 2 times? Like, I is not 2. Tampa I is not 2. I'm putting a for loop. I'm gonna put a for loop, right? For in range 0 to len temp. Timo, nice. Temp. Print temp at I. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. I'm gonna go crazy. So why the hell is I 2? This is actually the most broken code I've ever seen in my life. I don't know if it's like, it's my code, but I don't know why it's my, like, what is happening? What is happening? If I'm nums 1 at I plus j equals temp at I, but it's saying, oh, temp at I? Oh, if it does, so temp at I is smaller than nums 2. We get the same thing, right? Let me. I is 2, I is 2. Cool. So we get the same thing over and over, right? By saying I is 2 times right here. So we can remove that to make it that. What we need to figure out is why is when it goes in here, it decides to make I 2 times. Because if I print out temp at I, then I increase I. Like, nums 1 is virtually useless. Alright, you know what? We're gonna look up a solution. Cool. Merge sorted array 88. Merge sorted array 88. Great. JavaScript. Not what I wanted. Python. Let's go.
Hey everyone. Value
Explain the logic. Coding solution. Okay.
greater than like else condition is nums1. Since now the result is stored in nums1, but there's one last edge case that is so. Let me not forget.
Merge in reverse. So last equals n plus n minus 1. Well, m is bigger than 0 and n is bigger than 0. If nums at m minus 1 is bigger than m minus 2, m's at last equals that, and then last minus equals 1. We're merging in reverse order is crazy. So we're going to keep this because this is a good solution. But we're actually going to try and find a different solution. Merge sorted. Videos. If this is the solution everyone does, then I'll do that. But I'm like, okay, cool. Thanks. But is it because like
Utrax interactive Gantt charts.
I really wanted to show me that 1 minute ad so bad. Since C as well. I want this to be what? This guy just didn't. This guy didn't want to do the actual code. He said, "You know what? I'm gonna just, do it for fun." Okay, cool. It's an easy problem too. What do we? So I guess the solution is to merge it in reverse order. I am still so confused on why my solution didn't work. I don't. It's so invigorating. Oh my god. Fuck. Like, it's so painful to see something that should obviously work, and then it just doesn't. And like, you have to. Like, I don't want to change my whole solution to do this minus thing, because I want mine to work. But it's just mine doesn't work. Oh, I'm gonna go crazy. Nums at I plus j. Temp at I. Okay, we're gonna get rid of a bunch of these, useless things. I actually think this is the most what we're gonna do. We're gonna the last resort. last ditch efforts is we're gonna take it here, copy paste it, and we're gonna chat GPT. Chat GPT. Log in. Continue with Google. GPT-4. Oh my god. GPT-4. What's wrong? What's wrong with the code? Even ChatGPT wants me to do reverse order. Oh my god, there's no way. Wait, what did I what did I just do? Is there a way for my code to work without merging in reverse order? Alright. You know what I would send you? We're gonna do that. We're just gonna create a new thing and do it that way. And I just wanna see if it works. For iron range merged equals boom. Plus M plus N. And then we're gonna do it with merged at that stuff. So merged at I plus J. Merged at I plus J. Merged at I plus J and merged at I plus J. So you're telling me the whole problem is just I couldn't use nums1. They're telling me the whole problem, the whole time, the absolute whole time. Hold up, before I go insane. Hold up, before I lose my mind. Before I absolutely break something. Before I lose my mind. Tell me this works. The new ChatGPT to the rescue. Oh my god, what the hell? So this is actually a crazy fast solution too. I'm better than 99% of users. What can I say? I mean, to be honest, even though we had to use ChatGPT to to do this, do it in a new list and then merge it in. I think that this is still kind of a win because we did do the actual code and the code actually worked, and it worked in the other scenario that we looked at. It just decided that when you put 2s and 3s in there, it's gonna break, and yeah. But that was I think day 13.